back to my channel. Today I'm going to try and do a little 10-minute makeup routine. So it's basically your pure essentials, your priorities as such, what you'd want to wear in that day, and yeah, my version of how I do it. So yeah, if you fancy watching that, then stay tuned.
Try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love, baby. It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love, baby. I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah. closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking if it's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah,
Okay, so there we are. There's my version of a really quick makeup routine. Obviously it's very basic, very natural, but if you're in a hurry, like you get up late for work or something like that, or you know you're on FaceTime to someone, then you know you can do this really quickly. So yeah, I hope you found that helpful, and if you did, obviously give it a like because that would help me out a lot, and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications of my other tutorials and reviews. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!